control of the Predator blade started off simple. With this two-way directional control valve bought from Amazon, I thought the push button would be plenty, but after further testing, I learned that at higher pressures and quicker speeds, it was too hard to push down. So, after some vigorous testing, I broke the piece. Since I had broken the valve, I designed this, which is a bike cable that would attempt to push down the plunger with a 3D printed bracket, but in the end, it just snapped and broke. This, because this is a lot cleaner. This is just two different solenoid valves. One's 120 volts, and this one is 12 volts, works at 9 volts as well. So instead of having one button that just switches the air intake from one to the other, I'm having two valves. So I'll have to make a hand control that's just two different buttons. And that exact idea is how this became a reality. You would push the one limit switch and it would open up, and the problem with this is the blade had to be connected to the wall. I originally designed it to be converted from 120 volts to 12 volts through a battery, but it didn't work. After many times of quitting this project, and this being the fourth or fifth design of the operating system, I finally came up with something I thought would work. I'm actually really proud of this still. I think the problem was the solenoid valve was bad, so the air would come in from the bottom, as you can see from that quick connect down there, and air would be going into the input of the three-way directional control valve, as well as be at the end of the solenoid. So when the solenoid opened, it would pull the pneumatic cylinder backwards, which would then pull the operating device of the three-way directional control valve, and then thus that would open the big cylinder. I'm actually really proud of that. I'm really sad it didn't work because I was too quick to just scrap the idea. So in the end, I just ended up with the one thing that I didn't want to buy, which was an electric solenoid valve. So don't be cheap, I guess.